I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
The whole world is white, there's snow everywhere from the storm last night. Winter is here, blue jays are watching the children's play on this bright and wonderful Christmas day. It's so cold outside, we're staying in here by the fireside. I think I can hear far in the distance how sleigh bells play on this bright and wonderful Christmas day. It's a wondrously slow and golden Christmas day. When the sun gets low, you're still by my side in the afterglow and warmth from the fire. I love every moment as hours go by, holding your head in the dying light. It's so wondrously slow and golden Christmas Day. whole world is white. There's snow everywhere from the storm last night. Winter is here. Blue jays are watching.
Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. We're going strong. You just watched me do my makeup. I'm trying to have today as a content day. I need to film some reels. I haven't done reels in a long time. I got shorts. So for me to be able to do that, I need to, film outfits, and I'm thinking of doing like a series of, for me, for reels, it's always hard. Like, I think I'll just do a get ready with me for each one and then do a series of the outfits, or just, be innovative and try to have outfits for the rest of Vlogmas. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm confused. So just film. I have different outfits, festive outfits, holiday out and festive outfits for outfits that I want to shoot for a reel and for what is it called on YouTube Shorts. So, but that said, this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing my Spanx sweatpants and my Koi. This was gifted to me at the Koi pop-up shop, and I'm wearing that. Unfortunately, I spilled coffee on it while getting my makeup, and I have my coffee right here. I'm still working on it. Hopefully I don't ruin my makeup while drinking this. I'm waiting for the makeup to dry down properly so that I can start changing the outfits, because sometimes they rub into the outfits, especially if you're wearing light colors. So, and I need to start putting the outfits in order that I'm going to film them, in the order that I'm going to film them. And so hopefully you did catch the video from the Tracy Ellis Ross Pinterest recreation video, and I'm trying to come up with a schedule, and I'll try to start the schedule now before the new year, so I'm not one of those people that says I have a new year resolution and then try to jam everything into the start of the new year. So I want to start putting it in place before the new year. I'm trying to make sure that I have Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays as my content days. That is, those are the days I'm going to be posting on YouTube. But for Sundays, I'm going to have a style reset Sunday. For Saturdays, it's going to be my vlogs. All of my vlogs will go out on Saturdays, so that it will just be something you can pop up while you're chilling. And Thursdays with my Pinterest videos, and Tuesday. So Tuesday and Thursday, Pinterest videos. Saturdays my vlog, and Sundays my style reset videos. And I'll let you, once I start it, I'll let you know. I sat down and wrote everything out, and once I have everything in place, I'll let you know the times and everything, because I want to maintain, because I know I'm all over the place right now with my videos on days that come out, and I just want to have a set schedule. So that said, let me hopefully the makeup has dried down. It's still drying down. Let me start picking the outfits. I already picked out the outfits, but let me start putting them together so that I can change in them. I'm filming them in where my Christmas light is, so that I'm just walking through, and you'll see it as the YouTube shorts on YouTube. And then I have this Thursday a video is going to come out for recreating holiday outfits. So I'm going to recreate holiday outfits. These outfits are going to be different from the shorts and the reels one. I packed so many outfits in my head that I'm like, okay, let me separate them. These are the ones from Pinterest, and this is one that I created myself. And everything is using everything that I have in my wardrobe, and I'm so proud of myself that over the years, even though I've accumulated all these festive outfits, the sequin, I usually wear my sequins around Christmas, holidays, and sometimes during the year I try to style them down by adding tennis shoes and t-shirts. Like during the summer, you can, you know, dress them down that way, and, you know, elevate your casual for if you want to elevate. But there's also ways to dress down like party outfits so that they're not just for party. But I've accumulated them over the years that I think I have enough. I mean, you can never have enough of anything, but right now I want to enjoy the ones that I have. That said, I'll pick you up later and let me get on with the work. Hopefully, let me know what you think about my makeup. I mean, I'm not like a perfect I'm not perfect with my makeup yet, but I'm owning my skills. And this is the stand from my camera. Oh, I also wanted to show you what my mirror looks like now. I'm gonna flip the camera, and so you'll see I have my garland over the mirror now, and I've changed the way my lights are. If you've seen this room, you'll know. And this is probably a new addition. I'm not sure if you've seen it. This, I put a new closet in here so that I can put my hanging my dresses and stuff where I can see them and access them, because when they were hiding right there, I couldn't get to them, and now I've made them too, and they're so spacious that I can see everything. And you know, everything is still looking the same, but I moved the garland to the mirror so that I can enjoy it while I'm dressing up and doing things. Okay, that said, enough of my rambling. Let me get on with the work. So this is day 16 of Vlogmas, and let's see what we're up to today for Paleta Tea. And for the advent calendar, we have, drum roll, and trying to get that out. And it's another green tea, or it looks like a green tea. It might be, but it is a Yunnan tea, a Grand Yunnan Imperial tea. It's delicious, mellow, and honeyed black tea. So this is a black tea, so it's not a green tea. I lied. It's a black tea. So that's for day 16. I'm getting my days confused now. And on to L'Occitane. And for L'Occitane, day 16. We have to. Day 16 is right here. And let's go. We're still in this. Hopefully I can get it to open. I want to be sure that I'm opening day 16. And that's right here. And it's another cleansing milk, so that's good. It's a cleansing milk. I've been enjoying using this products, especially the ones that don't have like acids. They help, you know, calm my skin down. So I'm gonna try this, and it's an extra day cart. It's just shea extract, and so it's for all skin types, even sensitive skin. And I'm sure for people with sensitive skin, this will really help. So that concludes day 16 of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for being here with me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have not liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or hype this video. It does help me with the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.